TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 12 branches in 7 countries. The vertical air compressor with a tank volume of 270 liters is the perfect solution for powerful and space-saving compressed air supply in workshops and industry. Thanks to its 2-stage, 2-cylinder compressor unit, it achieves a suction capacity of 582 liters per minute and a free air delivery of 465 liters per minute at 6 bar. The robust vertical tank is space-saving and offers a high air volume of 270 liters. The compressor is driven by a 4-kilowatt electric motor. The operating pressure can reach 11 bar, with a sound pressure level of 75 decibels A. Its dimensions are 86 centimeters by 85 centimeters by 201 centimeters, with a weight of 176 kilograms. It is equipped with a non-return valve, an automatic pressure switch with start-stop switch, motor protection, a startup relief device, a safety valve, a pressure gauge, a ball valve, and a condensation drain. To operate the TWKS-270-11 a 3-phase 400-volt electrical connection is required. It is protected by a 16-amp C-type slow-blow fuse. The necessary certificates of conformity for the tank are included in the delivery. Visit us in one of our branches. With 12 branches in 7 countries also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on-site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with large stock of products available for an immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changes and tire balances. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent automotive garage supplier.